If you're a Boston business owner, you've probably asked yourself, is my company really protected from cyber threats? Let's tackle some of the most common questions about cybersecurity and how a local vCISO can make all the difference. First, why is having a vCISO so important for Boston businesses? Think of it like checking the weather before heading out. Boston's business climate is unpredictable, and a vCISO keeps an eye on your cybersecurity forecast, making sure you're ready for whatever comes your way. Wondering what a cyber insurance readiness assessment is? It's basically a checkup for your cyber insurance. A Boston cybersecurity consultant reviews your policies, making sure you're covered for the threats that matter most to local businesses. It's about staying ahead, not scrambling after something goes wrong. Curious about breach response tabletop exercises? Imagine your team gathered together, walking through a pretend cyber attack. Led by a Boston expert, it's a rehearsal so everyone knows their part if a real breach happens. Think of it as practicing for a big game, so you're ready when it counts. Why invest in enterprise security architecture consulting? Because you wouldn't build a house on shaky ground. A local consultant helps you create a strong digital foundation, so your business stands firm no matter what. Here's a quick tip. Small businesses in Boston are often targeted by cyber criminals who think you're an easy target. Prove them wrong with a solid security plan. Ready to get started? Reach out to Boston BizTech vCISO Consulting Services at 781-943-5130 or visit bostonbiztech.com. With the right local partner, you can focus on growing your business, knowing your cybersecurity is in expert hands.